Now, with just few days to go for the Maharashtra polls, Sharad Pawar's helicopter has also been checked. So the NCP SP Supremo's bag has been checked. The inspection was done in Baramati. Remember, the Election Commission officials checking the bags and helicopters have also hit some controversy with Uddhav Thackeray saying that he was selectively being targeted when his bags were being checked by the EC officials. Uddhav Thackeray had claimed that he was being singled out, after which there have been several checks, including on Union Home Minister Amit Shah's chopper being checked by the EC officials, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari's chopper being checked by the EC officials, and now in the latest, Sharad Pawar's helicopter has also been checked by the Election Commission officials. So his bags have been checked. This is in Baramati. This is while, remember, hectic campaigning is also ongoing. Just 3 days to go for the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Hectic campaigning going on. The leaders are traveling from one destination to the other. Baramati is also known to be a stronghold of Sharad Pawar. So his bags and his helicopter have been checked in Baramati. So Sharad Pawar's helicopter and bags being checked by the EC officials in Baramati, which is a stronghold of Sharad Pawar of the NCP SP faction, and his bags were checked by the EC officials. It's interesting because there has been a lot of chatter around the EC checks that are being conducted. It started with Uddhav Thackeray raising questions over the bags being checked, and he claimed that he was being politically targeted. My colleague Nilesh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Nilesh, these are routine checks that are conducted by the Election Commission officials time and again, but it comes in focus because during the Maharashtra Assembly elections, there has been a lot of talk about the EC checks. Take us through the details of what happened. Sharad Pawar's bags being checked in Baramati.
Well, actually, the state of Maharashtra has a lot of issues to discuss about, but something that is happens to be concerning. But for the opposition,
okay, Nilesh will try and reconnect that line with you. My apologies, viewers. We'll just try and reconnect that line with Nilesh for more details. Remember, just 2 days ago, Amit Shah's helicopter had also been checked by the Election Commission officials, and Amit Shah had also taken to social media X to say that he follows the rules made by the Honorable Election Commission, and his response had come at a time when Uddhav Thackeray had claimed that he was being singled out by the Election Commission officials, and in fact a big controversy broke out after Uddhav Thackeray's helicopter was checked. He raised questions and was also seen using unacceptable language towards the EC officials. So the BJP had also given out a message that these are routine checks and there should be respect for the Election Commission. The Union Home Minister's chopper was checked. The Union Minister Nitin Gadkari's chopper was checked. In fact, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's chopper was also checked by the EC officials. His bags were checked by the EC officials. In the latest now, Sharad Pawar's helicopter and bags also being checked by the Election Commission officials. It will be interesting to see how it plays out, because Uddhav Thackeray had claimed that the EC officials were targeting the opposition leaders. My colleague Nilesh is back with us. So Nilesh, it will be interesting to see how this plays out, because Uddhav Thackeray had claimed that he was being singled out. After that, we've seen some of the top leaders, including union ministers, being checked by the EC officials. And now it seems to be Sharad Pawar's turn.
Well, absolutely, and as you guys see that a lot of issues are into the communities in Maharashtra, but the duty of will be something that we expect to discuss about. In the recent past, the questions that were currently possibly being raised by the Mahavikas Aghadi, and particularly that started
by the Mahavikas Aghadi, and in particularly that started with Uddhav Thackeray's helicopter check, later snowballed into a big issue for the upcoming elections. And now what we're learning, the senior most leader of Maharashtra politics, that is Sharad Pawar, his helicopter has been checked into his home turf, that is Baramati, where he has reached out for the public address rally. And not just Sharad Pawar, but also leaders like Amit Shah and Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, again Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, CM Eknath Shinde, and other union ministers' helicopters were also checked. But Uddhav Thackeray and Mahavikas Aghadi leaders have been constantly saying that this comes after the question that were being raised by the opposition. It is a scripted gimmick.
And this is a routine procedure. It happens every time during the campaigns, isn't it? Nilesh, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. We have big breaking updates coming in of Home Minister Amit Shah cancelling the Maharashtra tour. This is amid the fresh Manipur escalation. So Amit Shah has now called off all the rallies that were scheduled in Maharashtra. My colleague Amit Kumar is joining us with the scoop, with the details of the reasons why Amit Shah has cancelled his rallies in Maharashtra. Amit, what are the details?
देखिए, आज गृह मंत्री अमित शाह की दो सभाएं थी। एक करीब 11 बजे थी गढ़चिरौली में और दूसरी जो थी वो वर्धा में थी। करीब 1 बजे की रैली थी, लेकिन सोर्सेज बता रहे हैं कि गृह मंत्री ने अपना ये रैली रद्द कर दिया है महाराष्ट्र का, क्योंकि उसके पीछे जो वजह बताई जा रही है सोर्सेज से कि जिस तरह से मणिपुर में ताजा हिंसाएं हुई हैं, वहां पे मंत्री और विधायकों के घर पर जिस तरह से हमला हुआ है, और ये तब शुरू हुआ जब वहां पर 6 जो एक समुदाय के 6 लोगों का अपहरण हुआ था, उसमें से 3 लोगों के शव बरामद हुए। इसके बाद जिस तरह से वहां हिंसा हुई है, यहाँ तक कि मुख्यमंत्री के घर तक जो भीड़ थी, उग्र भीड़, वो पहुंच गई थी। तो इन हालात को देखते हुए और उसको लेकर लगातार गृह मंत्रालय नजर बनाए हुए है। वहां पर मुख्यमंत्री से लेकर तमाम लोगों से बात भी हो रही है। वहां पे स्थिति क्या हो, कल भी अगर आपने देखा तो गृह मंत्रालय की तरफ से ये कहा गया था कि शांति बहाली के लिए जो भी कदम उठाने हैं उसको उठाने चाहिए। बाकायदा जो फोर्सेज वहां पर हैं वो किस तरह से वहां पे न्यूट्रलाइज करे, वहां जो जिस तरह से हिंसा फैलाने वाले लोग हैं उसको, और वहां पर शांति कैसे बहाली हो, तो उसकी तरफ कदम उठाने को लेकर गृह मंत्रालय लगातार संपर्क कर रहा है। तो ऐसे में सोर्सेज की तरफ से जानकारी है कि गृह मंत्री अमित शाह ने भी अपना महाराष्ट्र का दौरा कैंसिल कर दिया है। हालात पर लगातार नजर बनाए हुए हैं और कुछ मीटिंग्स भी गृह मंत्रालय में और गृह मंत्री के साथ कुछ मीटिंग्स भी शेड्यूल्ड हैं जो अभी लगातार होने वाले हैं।
Okay, all right. As tensions soar in Manipur, now the Home Minister has cancelled his rallies scheduled in Maharashtra. Amit, thank you for joining us with those details.